Hello everyone, welcome to English with Carrie and welcome to this video about when and how to use should. I'll talk about two different uses of should and help you improve your fluency and elevate your pronunciation to the next level. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. So we commonly use should when we are giving advice to people. Look at the examples. You should wear the blue dress. This means I advise you to wear the blue dress. And you should be careful when driving in the snow. I'm saying it's a good idea to be careful when driving in the snow. You can also give negative advice with shouldn't. So, for example, you shouldn't go to bed too late. This means going to bed too late is not a good idea, and I don't advise it. We can also use should when we are talking about our expectations. Look at the first example on the screen, which is some common computer advice. Have you tried switching it off, then on again? That should work. Here, this means I expect that to work. It usually works, and it will probably work now. We can also talk about negative expectations with shouldn't. This is shown in the second example on the screen. You drive very well in driving lessons. It shouldn't be difficult for you to pass your test. This means that I don't expect it will be difficult for you to pass your driving test. Remember that should is a modal verb. So this means that there is no S on the end of the he, she, and it form. The word should always stays exactly the same and it never changes, no matter what the subject is. So to form sentences, start with the subject, then should, then the bare infinitive of the second verb. The bare infinitive is sometimes called the base form of the verb, and it is the infinitive of the verb without to. Remember that the word should is never followed by to. Don't say, she should too wear the blue dress. That's wrong. Say, she should wear the blue dress. To sound like an expert speaker, here's a pronunciation tip. First, listen carefully to how the final d sound in should changes according to the word and sound after it. In the first example, the first sound in B is B. This changes the final sound in should to B. So listen carefully. You should be careful when driving in the snow. In the second example, the first sound in go is G. This changes the final sound in should to G. Listen carefully as I read the sentence. You should go to bed early. Pause the video to practice if you need to. Thank you for watching today. Please like and subscribe for more. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that it's been really useful for you. And until next time, keep practicing.